Now fourth one, length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. So first here it is given discrete data, that is 118, 126, then 127, 135, like that it is given. You have to make it continuous. Last year we have learned that one difference between the lower limit and the upper limit, that is 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5 you have to subtract from lower limit and 0.5 you have to add to the upper limit, so that it will be a continuous data. Now look at this one. So you can make table like this: 117.5, then 126.5, then 126.5, then 135.5, then 135.5, 144.5, 144.5, 153.5, then 153.5, 162.5, like that. Okay, now find the cumulative frequency. First 3, then 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, plus 5 34, plus 4 38, and 40. So our n is equal to 40. So n by 2 is equal to 20. Now as n by 2 is 20, your median class will be 144.5 to 153.5. So median class is equal to 144.5, 153.5. So our L is equal to 144.5. Now what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of the preceding class, of the median class, that is equal to 17. H is equal to 9. Then F is equal to 12. So find out median is equal to 144.5 plus n by 2, that is 20, minus 17 by 12 into 9. So 144.5, 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 into 9. So 9 you can cancel, 3 and 4, so it will be 9 by 4. 144.5 plus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 you know, that is 2.25 you will get. So 144.5 plus 2.25, that is equal to 146.75. Okay, so median is equal to 146.75. Here in this problem you have to make that class interval continuous, then only you have to proceed that one, otherwise your answer will be wrong. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. You are asked to find out the median lifetime of lamp. So prepare the table 1500 to 2000, then 2000, 2500, like that it is given. Now first find out cumulative frequency 14, then 14 plus 56 70, 70 plus 60 130, then 130 plus 86 216, then plus 74 290, like that. Cumulative frequency you prepare. So here n is equal to 400. So n by 2 is equal to 400 divided by 2, that is equal to 200. So 200 comes in this range. So our median class is equal to 3500. So our L is equal to 3000. Okay. Now CF is equal to 130, then F is equal to 86, then H is equal to 500. Now find out median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So it is L, that is 3000 plus n by 2, that is 200, minus CF, that is 130 by F, 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 70 by 86 into 500. So 70 into 5030, 3500, 3000 plus 35,000 by 86 you are getting. So when you are dividing that value, you are getting 406.97. So adding that one, 3406.97. Can round off that one also, so 98 you can put. So final values 3406.98. Hundred surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames were obtained as follows. Determine the median of the letters of in the surname. So it is given 1 to 4, then 4 to 7, 7 to 10, like that. So first prepare cumulative frequency 6, then 36, then 76, then 90, 2, 96, 100. So n is equal to 100, n by 2 is equal to 50 you are getting. Now 50 comes in this one, so median class is equal to 7 to 10. So our H is equal to 3. Now median M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So that is equal to L is 7, F is equal to 40 and CF is equal to 36. So M is equal to L is 7 plus 50 minus 36 by 40 into H, that is equal to 3. So 7 plus 50 minus 36, 14 by 40 into 3, 14, 20 can cancel, 7, then 20, 2 you can cancel. So 21 by 20, it is 1 point. So 7 plus 1.05, so 8.05 you will get. So median is equal to 8.05. Here you have to find out mean and mode also. Okay, that you have to complete it. Then 7th one, the distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Now first prepare cumulative frequency. First one 2, then 2 plus 3 5, then 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28, and 28 plus 2 30. Now our n is equal to 30, so n by 2 is equal to 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. So 15 will come in this one. So our median class is equal to 55 and 60. Median class 55, 60 range it will come. Now H is equal to 5. Difference between the lower limits or upper limits, that is 5. F is equal to 6. CF is equal to 13. Now median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L, that is equal to 55 plus N by 2. N by 2 is 15 minus CF 13 by F. F is equal to 6. H is equal to 5. So 55, 15 minus 13, 2 by 6 into, so you can divide. So 55, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 1.6. Then 666 like that it will go. So 1.66 like that. So you can write 56.66 666 like that it will come. You can round off to 56.67. Okay.